It's Memorial Day, and I've got my old Alice pack out here. I'm currently in the middle of making. I always love these things. They've got this nice section here. I mean, you could use for many different things. Some folks will stuff MREs in them or something, and but that's not why I'm here. I do have the frame for those of you that are going to ask. I've got all the parts I need finally, thanks to some surplus buddies. I got to clear this off, but I I was making a phone case, and I know, I'm making a phone case. Now this is the start of it. This was just the front shell because you got to build enough space to make your case, and I was going to do a little logo on it and be finished. Well, I ended up getting out of control, and I started discovering things like, what you ever want to hide stuff in your phone case, or I don't know, hide stuff? I've shown this process for the stitching, but it's just so time consuming. It's a cross stitch, and you do it where you're, I literally sat here, had a bowl of cereal, and had to do this. It gets so time consuming. I was listening, you catch me listening to like Brave New World, Iron Maiden or something, doing something like this, but it's very time consuming. You cross stitch it, one direction, the other direction, you make the cross, and then you go around and you do a regular stitch like you normally would, and that's how you get it, that very Thor style that most people want, that Viking style, or that. My kids, they're crazy. Back to my area here. There's your blade in the back. I didn't mean for that to come out like that, but it actually came out with the American Q. For all the conspiracy theories out there, somebody be like, "Who says Q? Oh no!" Anyway, I'm using this as a template. I'm gonna see if I can try putting the other blade in. I've got a Mora carbon that I want to try to make fit. Let's just see if I can get that in. If I can't, then I'll show you. Those of you wanting to know about the rabbit pelt, it turned out fine. The wife stuck it here. Sippy's crazy. She has to stick it up so everybody can see it. I've got a deer skin as well. I have no idea what to do with it yet. I don't know where I want to hang it. It's very nice. I don't know where I want to hang it. It'd be nice to put it up next to the fireplace or something, but I'm not sure. But no, it's a very nice one too. It fits. The only thing, backup plans, you might need a spiked drill bit. I'm just kidding. I had these laying over here. I know I don't carry those around just to give somebody lobotomy. The hole, I got the hole drilled. I've got this guy all flattened out, nice and neat. Look at that bad boy. Now that's so you can get a better strike if you're doing in a good high carbon blade, steel blade. You can buy just the blade stock itself. You don't have to buy a Mora and remove the handle, for any of you that want to ask that question. All you do is get the blade. You can buy just the blade, and then you can do what you want with it. I gave it a leather tang going on there, the full tang blade, and I've got myself this is a ferro rod for a loop, and I got a little idea. and I'm going to wrap this thing up. I think it's going to be pretty nice with some Titan survival cord. Oh, got my Titan survival cord, and I kept it in a length. So, say, you know, this family camps a lot. I might have this with me, so I'm going to bring it in, and boom, just like that. Nice angle, and I can turn this if I need to, or if it gets on my nerves, I just unravel it. I did a little shipmate spiral going on there. And to the Navy cats out there, this is one of the things I learned from you cats, wrapping your crazy rails. Anyways, the same technique used. It just makes a spiral and just over, and then you go over around, and then it makes a loop, and then you go through the loop, pull, over, through the loop, pull, the same thing over and over again. I've shown it before in other videos. I don't want to talk too long. Someone might say I'm talking too much, and a video takes too long, and nobody can watch more than 15 minutes of video at a time, or they'll lose their mind. Anyway, I had somebody actually. It's like, we could do without the talking, bro. Bro, I don't need to hear you talk. Anyways, I guess too many folks in their TikTok videos. I should be singing. That's what I should be doing, is singing, right? Doing singing videos. I should be singing. All right, this. Let's just give it a Ranger band. That's just car tire. And I wanted to give it a couple of these for fire starting. I don't know. I got Titan survival cord on here, but what if I want to use something else? I just want to show how kind of aggravating it is sometimes putting the tire on. I call it tire. Give me a piece of tire. And instead of saying, hey, give me some of that Ranger band. It doesn't matter. You can call it what you want. You can call it 82nd Airborne Band if you want. I don't care. Whatever you want to call it, bro. You call it what you want. Get that sucker on. See, it kind of causes a little pain going on there. I think I'll do 3. I'll stop at 3. It looks better with 3. Less is more, right? Yeah. I think if I added a 4th one, it would just look really tacky. I might not even like the way 3 of them look on there. But it comes in handy. It really does. It really does come in handy. You ever seen that light up? And plus, if you had to go real quick and you don't want to sit there and artsy-fartsy it, you could just roll this up into a wad and just strap those on real quick, and you're good to go. Boom. Ba-doom, ba-boom, boom. Anyway, goes in nice. I wanted to share. Sharing is caring. Goes in nice. Like a little samurai warrior. Has that little piece to it there. You can kind of flip it over to the back. Nobody's even going to notice it. Give me my phone. Fine, I'll let you have your phone. And you pull out the knife and you go, shoo, choo. Anyway. Oh well. It's an idea. You could use one of those curved K-bar knives. You ever seen those? They're for a boot. It's got a little hole, finger hole in it. It's got a sharp, pointy little thing too. It's got a curve to it with the hole in it. They're like $15. If you don't want to do all this crazy stuff that I'm doing right here, and you feel like you've got an extra $5 than me to spend, then because I spent like 7. So for those of you out there that are going to do that route, I spent 7. You see if you can beat me. You use your mom's kitchen knives. I don't know, whatever you want to do, but that's pretty neat. And it'll break in more. It'll break in more. It'll be much looser, but it doesn't really bother me too much. I do like the stitching though. Isn't that cool? It's pretty neat. Let's go see it in the sunlight. Wow, that does look pretty good. I'm complimenting my own work. Daggone. That's pretty nice. Let's see what I take the phone out. Kind of want to see how it looks. Slide that guy out. Looks like a little samurai sword. It's kind of neat, huh? A little sword hanging out right there. It's pretty neat. Didn't look too good. Didn't look too good. Didn't look too bad. I thought it was going to look worse than that on the back side, honestly. But it actually didn't look too bad. No one's going to see this side anyways. Unless I just, But it's pretty cool. Right? Right? I think it looks cool. What do you guys think? You tell me what you think. You just comment below and you tell me what you think. All right, guys, gals, I love you. Please have a wonderful and beautiful, fabulous, fantastic day. Rainbows and unicorns. And please share and hit that. I don't know if it matters. Anyways, God bless you guys.